Wow! What's inside? In the plastic bag? What's the color of the plastic bag, Ami?
Black.
Black! Black plastic bag! Whoa! There's a package! Whoa! Package delivery! Nice and cool! Oh, nice coffee! Unbox something, I mean. I'm so curious about this. I'm so curious. I mean, wow, projection painting. Woo! Projection painting. That's so cool.
Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. The steps you take them, I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though.
Whoa, for the legs, I mean. Put them together. Whoa, what's that, Ami? What is it? Oh, ears, Ami. Ears and horns. Whoa. Nice and cool. Wow, nice, Ami. Okay, giraffe, you're right. Giraffe.
It's a poison mirage, head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes damage.
What's the color of the giraffe, Ami? What's the color? Orange. Orange and yellow. You are right. Marker, wow. We got the marker. Colorful markers, Ami. Whee! Colorful markers. Nice. The ear dropped. Papa did it. Papa did it. Wow. This one. It's antler or horn. The antler, I mean. The giraffe has the horns. Papa did it. Yeah, 3 of those, I mean. There's 3 film sets. 1, 2, and 3. 3. Yeah. What's the color? Red film set. This, what's the color?
Green.
green film set. And this one, what's the color? Orange film set. You're right. Okay, good. Drawing board. Come here. Drawing board. What's the color of drawing board? White. Yeah, okay. Take that out. There is sticker sticking place. Sticker sticking place. We stick on it. Yeah. 4. Hey, 4. Can you help me? Help. Stick on it. Help. Stick on it. Yeah. Stick on it. Yeah. Stick on it. Release. Oh, release the seal. Stick on it. Help me. Stick on it. Yeah. Stick the board on the table. Stick the board on the table. Okay. What's the color? White board. Wow. That's good. Wow. We need some batteries.
Yes.
How many batteries, honey? How many batteries?
2.
3. 1, 2, 3. 3 batteries. Okay. Open it up. Yeah. Whoa. Check. Oh, 3 batteries. Okay. Let's put them in it. Put them in it. Yummy. Okay. You're right. This place. Yeah. Shut it down. Nice. Okay, switch on. Okay, switch on. Switch on. Switch on and off. Wow, there is some music. Woohoo! So cool music. Woohoo!
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
What fruit, Ami? Hi grown-ups! This projection painting is good for your kids. It can train your kids' motoric capabilities. Thanks for watching. See you soon and goodbye. Oh, you are good at drawing. Ah.